Hey there, this is John Barton from JB Cases. Let's do a weekly showcase for the week of, where is it? January 30th. Okay, this is the week beginning January 30th on Sunday. Let's jump right in, show you what we got. So right here I have black and yellow with yellow stitching and a pink, apparently we got a pink, extra pink strap hanging off of it. Same customer, I guess. Mm-hmm. Anyway, black, yellow piping, yellow stitching. Look how cool that is. And yellow zipper pulls. 2x5/3x4. Let's see, what is this? Got a black interior. And there you go. Just handing these off to you?
Sure.
Alright, this one here is slate gray with black piping in one clover right on there. And this is for Cindy. How cool. This is a 3x6 with gray stitching. Look at the stitching. Isn't that nice? Tell you what, we build some pretty nice cases, but I tell you who builds a Jaguar of cases that looks really nice is that Witten Cases. They build some pretty sweet looking stuff sometimes. Very clean work. This one here is a 2x5/3x4. A really cool little infinity symbol on there with, I guess that's Love Dogs. And this one is for Rhonda. Very nice. This one here is black and orange and white. No white, just black and orange. Duh.
Color blind?
No, this thing is. I said white because I saw the label sticking out of it.
Sorry.
Okay. 3x6. This one here is red, yellow, and white. 2x3. Single strap. With yellow zipper pulls and a yellow interior. There you go. Okay, then I have a black and blue. Black with blue pocket sides, single strap, blue stitching. And the blue interior, 3 butts, 4 shafts, 2 butts, and 5 shafts. Okay, and here I have black and teal. Very pretty. Backpack straps. Also 3 butts and 4 shafts. Alright, and I have a really cool little 1x2. Look at that. Neat little 1x2 right there. And this one is, as I said, 1x2. Okay, this one here is one of my favorites out of this batch. This is a tweed with teal and black. Look how I really like how these color combinations come together. Did you like that, Don?
That is sharp.
That one came out looking nice, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Very elegant. Two butts, 5 shafts, 3 butts, 4 shafts.
I know your customers have really nice taste.
It's just there's so many combinations, you know, like a lot of stuff. You just can't think of everything, and then when somebody sees it, when somebody puts something together like that, you're like, wow, that actually really works well together.
Yeah.
This is 2 butts, 3 shafts. I'm sorry, 3 butts and 4 shafts, or 2 butts and 5 shafts. Black and red. Okay, the ones I've done are from here
Around.
to here.
Okay, thank you.
There you go. And this one here is 3 butt 6 shafts, gray, black and gray and white. It comes out pretty nice looking. With a ball holder in the lid. Notice we do the taller lids. That's so you can put a ball all the way up in the lid. For those of you who like to carry your own balls. My wife likes to carry mine. She's not here to hear me say that, or I would never see them again. All right, this is slate gray and blue piping and black. It's a good thing she doesn't watch these videos. That's how I do it. I just overwhelm her with so many videos. She's got so much work she didn't have time to go back and watch them. So this is a 4x8. She doesn't know half the things I say.
It's not necessarily a bad thing.
All right, this one here is black and teal. Teal stitching. Black zipper pulls. Single strap. With a blue interior. All right, this is a butterfly 3x6 navy blue with red piping. I think that came out pretty sharp. Look at that.
Very understated.
And then we have a nice bold red interior in here. 3 butts and 6 shafts. Looks like that. Also, just to let you guys know, all of our butterflies, we make them slightly oversized because our customers have told us they want the cases to be a little bit bigger because they like to put extra cues in there and all kinds of accessories. And I mean, I literally have a friend of mine who throws his keys, his wallet, and he looks like he's got a purse inside of his butterfly. It's crazy. That's the way he likes it, so fine with me. Tried to get Sir Mix-a-Lot to do a commercial for our butterflies, but we couldn't make it sound right. You know, he's like, I like big butterflies.
Oh.
It just didn't work. This is a 4x8 tweed hybrid with really cool. Look at the tan zipper pulls on there. How cool is that?
Yeah, no appreciation for the peanut gallery.
I swear. 4 butts, 8 shafts. God, who knew that these cases were going to get so popular? I gotta show you. I should show you the very first video I made on these. Back in 2011, 2012. This one's cool, teal and red. So teal with red piping. That's interesting. It's got that little splash of red on there. This is again another one of those, you know, where first you look at it like I wouldn't put these colors together, but then when I look at it, it kind of grows on me, and I start to really like it. And I'm saying, wow. Sometimes, see?
Oilers color.
Is that it? Okay, I didn't know.
No, they used to Oilers. I don't know what they are now.
Are they red and teal?
They used to be.
I thought they were just like blue, teal, and black or something. All right, this one here is a 3x6, black, navy blue, and neon green with backpack straps and a blue interior. All right, the next one here is pink and purple. I like this color combination. I don't know, it's just this has something. This one and the opposite, purple and pink.
Okay.
I don't know, it must be the metrosexual in me. There you go. 4 butts, 8 shafts. Hey, there's a loose thread in here we need to pull, or not pull, but cut out before we
Okay.
send that out. Alright, what else else do we have? So some more over here. This is a 2x3. This is a 2x3. All teal. Very cool. This is what we call our basic rugged. It's 2 pockets, no top handle, 2 butts, 3 shafts. Alright, is that it then for this week? I guess so. Alright. Alrighty, folks. Well, that's it for this week. So you guys have a good week. We will be out for the rest of the week, so we probably won't be taking calls. And probably no shipping is going to happen this week, but Don may be here and take care of some of that. So you guys have a good week, and we'll see you in a week. Bye-bye.